So we are now in Aqua Planet. Let's see what this is here.
Up near the wave pool so Hendrik and I can go around.
Okay, come on.
Okay.
Where's the wave pool? If you guys are wondering how Aqua Planet compares to other water parks in America, yes, I would say Aqua Planet is comparable. Although probably not as big as the water park in Six Flags or Legoland. This is much more fun and enjoyable because we didn't spend hours waiting in line. We went there during the weekday, so maybe that was a factor why there weren't so many people. But we did go during weekdays in the water park in the US too. But it was always full. People would be sunbathing near the wave pool. There's hardly any space to walk around. The only gripe we had was the food took forever to come out. We waited for more than an hour for pizza, even if the park was not packed. Oh look, there's a lazy river here. This is the wave pool.
Go ahead.
This is the wave pool. The waves are starting to come in still. The waves are now here.
Oh, here comes Hendrik. Hendrik is going to get blasted. There's Mama. Here's Sydney. Uh-oh. They're going to be on this side. Where's the boy? Where's the boy? There's the boy. There's the boy. Ah.
On YouTube, right?
There's a bucket over there. Like still some water. I think this is the mermaid lagoon.
laughing music high.
I think they're coming down blue. Whoa!
bus so we can head back to Manila after a full day at Aqua Planet. Let's see what it looks like outside. That's SM Clark. Well, behind us is SM Clark. That's just the view of Clark. Clark has grown so much. That's Mount Pinatubo. I remember when this volcano erupted. It was supposed to be a dormant volcano, but it erupted in the 90s. Let's look at the room. Ooh, looks nice. Okay, looks nice. Oh, look, there's a little like a sitting place here. Look, bathrobes. I noticed that they always have flashlights. Oh, look.
Hendrik, a glass toilet.
Look.
Hendrik, there's a toilet that
Look at
has
that,
a glass
that's,
for the door.
Bathtub. And then similar to the Japanese style where they separate the toilet from the shower.
Nice. Here's some more.
It's nice. Let's see the amenities that they have here. The usual vanity kit. Okay. Okay. Let me go and see what else is in here. Two queen beds. Look, is that wine? For us? Ooh, macaroons.
The kids, you gotta take a shower.
Kids will like that.
Or do you want to eat across the street? There's so much food downstairs too.
Yeah.
Look, USBs.
Oh, let's see if there's USB.
There's one on the clock.
One on the clock.
And there's
Yeah.
That would be a USB on the clock.
This might be a USB actually.
a bottle of wine.
Yes.
Bring it as a gift.
Yeah?
Bottle of Chardonnay.
Nice and warm.
We have our own. Oops. We have our own balcony. Wow. This is nice.
Well, most people have our own balcony.
Most hotels don't have their own balconies. And there's a pool. This pool is nice. Ah, I wish we could swim here. But it's a shame because we have to leave tomorrow.